Good. And dinosaurs?
He'll say the whole thing. Just point to it.
Big. And
This is tiny.
tiny.
Hey, Hen, what's next?
What's next?
Dinosaurs.
Smooth.
Spiny.
Spiny. Weak.
And what's...
What's that one? Oink, oink.
That's the pig. Hey, what is the dinosaur? Is that dinosaur weak?
And what that one? Strong. Dinosaur singing a dinosaur song. What that one?
Lucky. No. Lucky. Mama catch it. No. Mama catch it.
No, you finished reading your book.
Mama catch it.
Hey,
Mama
What?
catch it.
dinosaur...
Cool.
And...
This is
Hot.
This is
Cute.
That is oh, book card.
And with a bow tie.
What do you think about bow ties?
Oh
Hey, Hen, dinosaur's cute.
no!
What's next?
This is
Uh-huh.
Hot.
And then what?
What this one?
Ollie.
Early. Later.
Yep.
Crammed
Crammed in an elevator.
Crammed in an elevator.
Oh, this is your favorite. Ready? All right, Henry's sitting. Okay, so what's next? What dinosaur is that? Yeah, we did the dinosaur with the bow tie. Hey, look at the book. What does the word say?
This is pump.
How
Uh-huh.
about this one?
This is
Lean.
And then dinosaurs, what colors? I know. Hey, Henry, what colors are those? Red? Blue?
Yellow.
Green. That's right. Oh, here's the big finale. Ready? Dinosaurs looking right at you to say
Because we're
because
through.
we're through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That plump one.
That is the dinosaur Plump. We love Plump. The end. Good job, Hen.